We on a road trip.
Bucka bucka. You know the deal. This is me.
What's up, man? It's your man Trent. I'm here vlogging it out. I'm on a road trip right now. I'm in the country though. And ain't nothing like a road trip with that beautiful fall weather, man. Look at this. Look at the beautiful fall weather. So yeah, man, y'all gonna be coming with me today while I'm on this road trip. So it's gonna be a fun day. We're just gonna be chilling, we're gonna be vibing. I hope I catch y'all some good sights. And remember, if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe, and whatever's good for your soul, do that. But stick around, man. Let's see what we do today. I don't know what to expect. We're here at the creek. We're not gonna be doing no zip lining or nothing like that. We're just gonna be doing a little hiking and chopping it up with you guys. Let's get to the creek. Let's enjoy it. Like probably 3 minutes away now. Took us a 2-hour drive from the city to get here, so not far. It's like right around the corner. But it's a road trip nonetheless. A small one, but it's still a road trip. We here, man. We here in the country. So we just made it. See it, look, country. Look at it. Oh man, nature is beautiful. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but it's deep. Like, fall down there.
That is deep.
Wait.
Don't fall.
If I do, I'm gonna just slide like the dude on the rundown.
I don't like heights.
The hiking trail has rules. So our motorcycles gotta be $4. No camping, no alcohol. We loaded up with the alky. Entrance fee is $4. Clark Creek, owned and managed by the Mississippi Department of Wildlife, Land and Water.
It's $4 per vehicle.
I wonder how much it is for a Ferrari because we pulled up in one of them. Alright, so hiking starts now. First, we got our flashlight. Our flashlight is going to be used as our flashbang to distract animals, you know, get away, or to see in deep caves in case we fall into a trap or something like that. Next, we got our chocolate. And, you know, our chocolate, you know, that's for if we get hungry because we can't go 42 days without eating. We also got our animal distractor, which is our little fur ball. You know, it looks like an animal, it's furry. It probably smells like food. So when we throw that, it distracts a bear. It distracts anything. You know what I'm saying? What else we got in there? We got fruits. Oh, yeah, the fruits. That's for if we catch a dinosaur or try to catch Bigfoot. We heard he likes fruits, grapes, strawberries, so that's what we have. And it looks like we're pretty prepared. But what if we get dehydrated? Do we got any clean water?
We got water.
Oh, look, man, we got water. We got water.
Too old.
Anything we need as far as like suspending from trees or hanging from something or having to get down from this and that. We got t-shirts for that. We got our hiking boots. So, are we all prepared?
Yes.
We all good? I guess you're wondering why are we out here? Well, we're looking for nature, Mike. And we are looking for Bigfoot. We're on the search for Bigfoot. And we got to watch out for stuff like this. Like these little holes and shit. We rookies, so we might make a mistake and fall into this shit. Oh, man. Yo. We went and got boots, though.
Look at that deep
Look at
hole.
that. That's another one. Look what we got, though. We got our boots on. We got hiking boots, man. We had to go buy hiking boots. Look at those. Y'all approve or no? Let me see what you got on. J's. We had to get our hiking gear straight, man. Where the hell are we going? Yo, like, I'm legit lost. Look at this. Look at this. They got like the little holes. Isn't that like hedgehog holes or snake holes? That's so dope. Stick your hand in there. Oh, something was in there. Yo, so we're camping and they got words on the wall. What it say? Do not come in here.
Do
Black people run.
No.
See, you gotta pay attention to these words. They be trying to warn you. These are the people who tried to make it out. And we here, man. Look at this. This is so fucking dope, bro. Let them know who here. Let them know who here. 2K Nola, we in the building, man. But look at this look. I think the picture's not giving it justice. Look. So, I don't know about y'all, but when I do stuff like this, like a hiking or something, first thing I think of is the movie Wrong Turn. Then I think of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Then I think of Man vs. Wild, Naked and Afraid. I be thinking of all that stuff. And this is the perfect scenery to think about something like that. So look at this. You can hear stuff moving out here. Let me see. Look at that. They got like a trail. We haven't seen nobody yet though. You doing the boot test? They working? What's up there? Another trail is up there. Everything look like a damn hole. If you step too far to the right, too far to the left. I'm gonna try my boots out on this thing. What the hell is that? Hey, the boots like clamped on. Jen. Alright guys, this is where you go if you want to summon King Kong, one of the great animals right here. You go right here and just wait a second. And this is what the fruit is for. This is Bigfoot's homes right here. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy because we climbing shit. They obviously had cougars out here.
Cougars love me.
So there's an echo out here. Whoa! That's crazy. This is looks steeper than what's on camera, bro. Look at this. I'm like leaning back, bro. The Great Wall of Mississippi Steps. Alright, 2K Nola. So we found our first piece of water. Water means current, waterfall, something. So we're gonna follow it and try to see what we do. See what we find. No Bigfoot trails. We had heard a couple, you know, little animals and stuff, but nothing that'll eat me or Jen. But this is dope. Look like somebody tried to build something across. That's dope. Look like they knocked it down. Oh, I probably got struck by lightning or something and fell. If it was in danger over here, we can definitely cross this log over there. But right under the log, we're still following the water there. Remember how we was going down the whole way? Now, I have a part where we have to go up a hill. So this whole thing has been like a big workout, you know? But you see all this beautiful nature. That's good. So stay tuned, man. Keep coming with us. I'm about to show y'all some stuff. We've never been here. This is our first time here, so we don't know what to expect. But it looks nice. It's a good scenery. Alright, we following the water right now. I think we found it, mate. I think we found our first cave. It's right here, right when you cross the murky waters with sharks and piranhas. What is in the hole? Hey, so we followed the water and we found our first one. First one. Did you see that? First waterfall. Found it. Man,
This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo.
up. So we followed the water and we found this motherfucker. Let's fucking do it. Look how deep it is, bro.
Yo.
You will fuck yourself up when you go down there. How you gonna get down there? Look at Jen really trying to. She came from up there, going down. Look at her go. Jen. This is funny because she's so happy, dude. She's trying to make her destination. Don't fall off. She's still going for it, bro. Dog trying to distract her. What is she trying to get to? The waterfall. She's still going. She's still going, bro. Yeah! Man, the fuck? That shit poking me in the fucking ear. Fuck, my fingers keep going in this bitch. She has to get through the kids. Yeah! She made it down, bro. She made it. So, making my way down, man, to the waterfall. We stay in the Big Easy. Ain't no waterfalls in the Big Easy. So even the smallest one, we probably got some floods, but even the smallest one is exciting. So this right here is exciting, fun, and the weather is amazing. Let's do it. That water cold? It's like ice cold. This that Fiji water. From the hood to the waterfalls, man. This is the one of many we're gonna be lit. We're gonna be lit. What is in the hole right there? That is so dope. Let's go.
Yes.
Watch your step first. Good job. Now, you can see this like muddy interior right here. Right here. Right under the waterfall. That's pretty deep. Pretty dope. And then, you see it. Waterfall right down in there. Now what I didn't know, this water was gonna be super cold. And they said there's one that's way better than this. So, let's go check it out. So we're walking and I see this. What in the hell is that? So our first waterfall experience was nothing short of amazing. It was nice, even that little small waterfall. So imagine if we went to Niagara or something, that'd be dope. Look at this. Going over here, it's like an obstacle, ninja, American ninja and all that. Climbing all on these rocks. So I would recommend you getting a pair of these, like a water type hiking boot. It'll be so dope for you, because the regular shoes ain't gonna get it out here. It's funny because it's cool how you gotta maneuver around all this mud and trees and falling logs and stuff. I think that's dope. I think that's so crazy. Watch, these bushes got thorns on them. Yeah. It's amazing how the water just keeps moving. See that?
I think they have another
All through the trail. It's amazing. Jen out here working through these rocks, bro. Jen is killing it, bro. I fell like 3 times. Jenny gonna get to these waterfalls. You beat me. Hey. Which one? What we gonna call this one? Rocky waterfall? Cause all you see is rocks. You really do. Yo, so this is waterfall number 2. And we keep finding them now. At first it was all grass and rocks and animals. But now we finding them shits. It's lit, bro. So we found like a perfect home. Like if you were an animal bear or anything, this would be perfect for you. A roof, shade for the heat. Isn't this perfect? Continue at your own risk, huh? I don't know what that means, but let's do it. Oh, they mean continue. And them legs gonna be burning walking up here. You getting that burn in, huh? Alright, y'all, so we got lost for a moment. And it's kind of cool because you have to listen. You have to listen to where the water is. So you can go this trail right here, or this trail right here. And look like we're gonna go to the left. So hopefully we are picking the right way. It's like you can't even see the waterfall until you see the water and you follow the trail. Look at the webs on the trees. It's like nice little spider webs on this huge tree.
That mushroom, little big mushroom.
I love outside nature stuff. Look what we found. These little bitty baby mushrooms right here. Look at them. They're so dope. And you know, it got like that grass scenery that you see people trying to do like the store-bought grass.
Yeah, they got
It's a
a
little
hole.
spiky, so you might want to watch your hand. But it's definitely like spider holes and stuff in there. If you could see one. But it is so dope, like all this nature stuff. It's really, man, it's amazing. Like, look at all this. We have not seen any like fish or anything yet. There's gotta be one over there. Come on, let's go. Alright, so remember we didn't see any, but now we're seeing a bunch of like tadpoles and little bitty fish. If you look over there, there's a plethora of them. Right there,
Scroll in.
we found some fish.
Yes. This is a great picture.
Look at how amazing this looks. I might listen to nature. Listen to nature run its course. And it's going down. 2K Nola. Look at this. We've been seeing this all over, this reddish type rock. It's all over, and I know that, you know, Mississippi has that like reddish mud going. I don't know why, but I guess we could look that up and see why most of the rocks here are, they're a little red, because their mud is the same color. I wonder what that's called. If you know, leave it down in the comments and be appreciated. We love to learn over here. And now what I'm keep finding is these dope like little tadpoles in these little areas like that. They're all under areas like that. If you can see them moving because I'm here. Hopefully you can. My camera is okay. Yeah, this big old tree log. I think you saw right there. So all over we keep finding these like amazing holes. A nice little trail here. You got a roof over and everything. Yeah, I'm sinking in. Trying to find the best route. Right here. So right now we're taking a food break. What you got, Jim?
I have fruit. I have strawberry, pineapple, grapes, melon.
I got chocolate. We gotta survive out here. We done ran into bears, tigers, kangaroos, giraffes, lions.
Nigga, please.
But look at it, man. We're like right in the middle of the forest stuff. Nice, bam. Oh, that's not for this one. Now we did get lost for a little bit, and we kind of have to walk our way around to find another waterfall. But you gotta listen to be able to find them, so that's pretty dope.
Yeah, and he's really good listener.
Man, I've been watching the TV shows. Been watching the shows, man. These shoes are really helping. Shoes really matter. They matter. So, as you can see, you gotta be real careful how you step out here. Probably our 30-foot waterfall. But it's really nice. You see the opening, you see that tall 60, 70-foot drop right there. If you were at the top of this thing, it's really dope. And this is a fun time for us. We're just out here having fun, enjoying nature. Like, get away from the city, do something different. It's cheap. It's only $4 to do. And you just walk this beautiful trail, right? Man, let's go see what's next. So we've been running to these beautiful logs all day, man. Look at that. It's wet. It's tough. Look at it. It goes from here all the way here. Cool thing, you can see where all these break off at. Let's try to get in there. Let's try to get in there and see if we see something. Nothing moving. This is my habitat, if you didn't know. I love stuff like this. That's a fun fact about me. I love nature, arts. Oh my God. Where's that ladybug? Right here. It's right here. Beautiful ladybug. Look at what you gotta get through to get to this waterfall. Rocks. You gotta get all the way up there. And I zoomed in. Jen's going for it. How you feeling, Jen? You see how nature treats you? The water could come right out of here and you could drink right from it. That's beautiful. Right next to it is a big leaning tree. Look at that. That tree is way huge and it's really leaning. So when it's wet, I would not want to be right here in case that tree falls over. So far it's been really fun.
Yeah, and it's an adventure. It's really nice and beautiful outside too.
It's an adventure. It's beautiful. The nature is awesome.
Yes, it's really
I'm looking for bugs, Bigfoot, anything, everything. Everything.
We found fishes.
We found some fish.
Yeah.
Stream.
You only got my head.
Look what you got to do to get to this. These rocks, it's like this camera is underestimating the challenge to get to that. But if you like more vlogs like this, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna come at you with more content, man. Definitely. I'm out, and I'm here with. I'm out, man. I'm out.
All right.
I was sitting there, what the hell is this? Somebody took a shit. Woo!
Somebody say, hey. Yo, now we're taking our rest. Man, it's a long way to the car, y'all.
I think it's a good time going to the waterfalls. It's an even harder time going back to your car. It's like going to the waterfalls, you're going downhill, right? But going back to your car,
We're going up.
you're going up a hill. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and that you're used to. You're dope. So, remember how we was
He needs some milk.
Thank you. Whoa.